In this guide, I'm going to show you the very best display settings for your Xbox to improve your graphics, clarity, and overall performance. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by going into your settings up at the very top, select it, and in your settings, you're going to see a general tab. In that tab, go ahead and select TV and display options. Open that up, you're going to be in a section that looks something like this, and what you need to go ahead and do is look for resolution. Make sure this is set to whatever your, display supports. So if your display supports 4K, make sure this is set to 4K. If it supports 1080p, select 1080p, 720p, etc. You kind of get the point. From here, go down and go to the Calibrate TV option over on the side. And oh my god, my stick drift is awful on this controller. It's been a while since I've used my Xbox. Select Calibrate TV. This is by far one of the most important steps though. Follow the on-screen instructions. Adjust things like brightness, contrast, color. For brightness, you should barely see the lower symbol, not the upper one. For contrast, adjust it so bright areas aren't washed out. These small tweaks make a huge difference in how your games look. Now go ahead and go to video modes over on the left side or the right side. And these options are going to depend on your TV or monitor, but if available, you can enable features like 4K, HDR, or variable refresh rate. So turn on whatever your display supports for the best experience. After that, go into video fidelity and overscan just like so. And you want to set this to auto detect as well, so that your Xbox matches your display correctly. This is going to prevent issues like screen cropping or incorrect scaling. For color depth and color space, the default or recommended settings usually work best. You can experiment, but most of the times the automatic options are already optimized. Overall, the biggest improvements will come from using the correct resolution and properly calibrating your display. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.